Hey everyone, I got this Keychron J9 Ultra 8K. It's a new keyboard, wireless thin keyboard, low profile with low profile switches. I bought this from Lazada for during a big sale for only about $50 or 2,700 pesos. But this regularly sells for around 100 US dollars. By the way, I'm sorry that I cannot review this. I don't know how to review keyboard, but I'll give you an impression on this and unboxing. By the way, the box is slightly heavy. But this shouldn't be very heavy because this is a plastic keyboard and not aluminum. Okay. Okay, we got this and it's got this one. Stickers. There's stickers and the manual. And the cord, it has a sleeve, cloth sleeve. It has many accessories like it has a switch, extra switches. This is I chose the brown switch because I'm afraid that this is the actuation is only 3 millimeters, and if I chose the linear, it would bottom quickly. It's got three extra switches, and it has this one, the wireless dongle and the adapter, Type C to Type A adapter. And here we got extra keycaps for. I think this should be, you can convert this to Windows to MacBook compatible, but the default is MacBook compatible. And we got a switch puller. No need to open that. This is the main course, the keyboard itself. Wow, this is very nice. It's sturdy enough. It has some flex, but it's sturdy for daily use. This is the rubber feet. Here's a sticker, shiny sticker, and a cover, and it has a stand with two angles. This is the keyboard. It's very thin, guys. I thought this was a metal, but it's not. It's plastic, and there's a decoration, screws, and it feels very nice. It's silent. It's not very noisy, but the switch itself feels very nice. It's a tactile switch. Okay, that's it, guys. Sorry that I cannot review it, but just an unboxing.